Hi, this is a quick demo of the front end of HomeRunner, our booking engine. HomeRunner is the first independent booking engine built specifically for the vacation rental industry. It offers partner-level API integration with top PMSs within the industry and is now ready to work with any WordPress website. No theme dependency, no plugin dependency. Whether your website was built by an agency, whether you built it yourself, you already have it, HomeRunner can come in and handle the entire direct booking operation right there on the website. A quick background is we are Hudson Creative Studio. We're a web agency that has been working with vacation rental customers over the past 4 years. And early on, we realized that we needed to build a booking engine so that the websites we build had the full-fledged direct booking capabilities. So over the past 4 years, we built HomeRunner entirely by talking to our customers, hearing their pain points and challenges. And the result is a highly powerful and flexible booking engine that's ready to work with smaller operators, but is fully capable of working with enterprise-level operations from 50 to 500 to 5,000 properties and beyond. HomeRunner has two main focuses. First one is the guest experience, making it look professional and seamless and easy to use so that your guests can find the perfect property, book it, and move on with their day. And the second is putting you, the operator, in the driver's seat of your direct booking operation, giving you all the control that you need to really own your direct booking flow. Let's get in. This is the homepage of a website that we built, and on this homepage, HomeRunner is represented by this search bar. We start with the location filter. Here we have an opportunity to group properties not just by the cities, which is the typical behavior of a search bar, but we're also able to group properties by location-based collections. This means we can set up regions or areas or neighborhoods, basically organizing properties by a criteria that goes beyond the fields that are available in the PMS. We do this by making heavy use of tags right in the PMS so that you are able to create these collections and maintain them on your own in the PMS using tags. Really easy, really straightforward. Our date picker, our calendar, is heavily inspired by that of Airbnb. This is on purpose so that your guests feel confident using the website and they already know how everything's working. Our guests filter allows to specify a number of people coming. The pets option is set up to filter properties so that if the pet filter is set to yes, then we would only be showing properties that are pet friendly. Then we have the full featured filters modal. Here we are able to filter based on any type of property or criteria, as well as features and amenities. And the list of amenities here is fully customizable. We can specify which ones to show and which order to show them in so that the most important ones to your guests are always shown on top. Next page is the search results page. In this case, I think maybe I set the filter a little bit too tight. I will reset it really quick. If no criteria is entered, then we have flexibility around how we show pricing. For instance, the starting at price, we can set to either show base nightly rate, which is a static field within the PMS, or we're able to calculate your lowest nightly rate across the date range that we have access to, and then put that as the actual lowest starting rate. Or we have the option of calculating the average and saying average nightly rate, so-and-so, which is something that we get reliable and accurate data on. Then just the entire experience is set to mimic that of Airbnb. Again, you see that the properties are hovered around as the property cards are have a mouse over on them. Then individual property cards are here and show more details. Then if we do a search for dates, then we have the ability to show the price that includes all of the fees. This is a recent regulation and requirement from FTC, and it's something that we have currently available already. As you see, all of the fees are included in the quoted price based on the dates that are selected. The same exact filters exist on this page as well. We're able to change the order of the properties, showing featured first. Featured is something that we designate by having you place a tag on the properties you want to spotlight right there in the PMS. something that you can always rotate and change as needed. Random is an option that we recently created for HomeRunner so that sort of your homeowners get more of a fair chance to be at the top of the page without constantly having to be forced into the same order where they're always middle or bottom of the search results. Next page is the property details page. A few things here. When we show photos, we start with a large thumbnail of photos. This allows guests to really quickly look through all of the property photos without having to click next one by one if they want to get to a specific room. And then it clicks into a full image slider once the specific image is clicked. Then we have the share sheet, ability to share the property multiple ways. One is clicking here will just place the property link, the URL for the property right into your clipboard, ready to be pasted anywhere you like. The text message option, particularly on mobile, will open a text message application and have the URL to the property right there entered inside of the text message, ready to be texted to whoever needed. This is our booking widget. And since we already have the dates entered, the entire quote is already prepared. This is the nightly rate for the duration of those seven nights in this case. And the full price is available right here under the show details modal. Then we have the discount code or the coupon interface hidden behind the checkbox. We find that important so that we're not showing an empty field to a guest who may not have the discount code, which we think is a negative experience and ultimately hinders the conversion rate. We spill over the large fields with text into a modal so as not to create a really tall scrolling page. Bring in the bedrooms and beds and room types. The features and amenities, once again, is customizable in terms of which ones we show and in which order, giving us a chance to prioritize the one that one shown on the top. This is our very own availability calendar that's fully color-coded to show which dates are available for check-in but not check-out, etc. We closely guard min stay for properties as needed. And as soon as this calendar is interacted with, the dates are immediately pushed into the booking widget and the full quote is generated. This calendar is also mobile friendly, so as if somebody just you can use just a finger to slide through it on their device. We show a map. We bring in the reviews, maintaining the relationship between the reviews, the property for which they were written, so that we can show appropriate reviews in the right properties. And then again, when there are more reviews, rather than creating a endless scroll, we set up a modal that shows all the reviews. At the bottom of the page, we typically show related properties, and here we have full flexibility as far as how we define this relationship. It could be based on the property type, location, custom group, etc. Then going into the checkout page, which we run right on the website where we collect guest details. We bring in house rules. Sometimes we can grab a cancellation policy or a rental agreement, etc. Bring it all into this page. Then, of course, we show the payment details right here on the page. These are sourced out of the PMS, meaning that we don't store, collect, or send credit card information. This is handled entirely as managed by your PMS, and therefore is fully PCI compliant. We show the payment rules, which we source right out of your PMS. Again, everything synchronized with how you have your operation set up in your property management system. Then we ask the guest to click a checkbox to confirm that they've read and agreed to the rules and policies. And then once all of the details are provided, confirm and continue. In case of instant booking, we'll process the payment through the PMS, then show the confirmation page right here on the website, allowing you also to have full visibility into your guest journey and track e-commerce events and triggers, which is key for running a good marketing operation. So that's the entire front end for the HomeRunner. Of course, let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.